pretty easy. It's going to be short and simple. And then tomorrow's lesson, we're going to continue looking at this. This is actually from lesson 9 in your textbooks, but we're going to split this up and cover it in a couple of lessons. So today we're going to talk about solving roots, adding and subtracting roots, and it's pretty simple. I'm not sure why my radicals are kind of spaced that way. That looks a little bit odd. But this first problem says the square root of 16. And remember, the square root is the opposite of squaring. 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. Rooting it like this is undoing it. What this is asking for is what times what is 16? Well, 4 times 4 is 16. Therefore, the answer is 4. If it was the cubed root, it would be asking you what cubed is that number. So let's say it asked me for the cubed root of 8. It is asking me what number cubed, or what times what is 8, and that answer would be 2. Okay, you should have been doing roots for a while at this point. If not, let me know and I can spend a little bit more time on that. The new stuff is something like this, and I'm not sure why this is spaced this way. This problem is actually 2 square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 5. Now, this can solve. There is an even or a whole number square root of 6. There is not a whole number square root of 5. So in this case, we can't actually solve anything, so we're going to simplify. Basically, what this is saying is I have 2 square root of 5s. I get 4 more square root of 5s. So what I have is 6 square root of 5s. And I can't make that any simpler because there is not a simple square root of 5. So in this case, this is going to be our answer. All right? The next one is saying I have 8 of these. I take away 5 of these. So what I end up is 8 minus 5 is 3. Cubed root of 11. That's the full answer. So this last one is a little tricky. I have a square root of 17 plus another square root of 17. There are these things called understood ones. Basically, what I have here is 1 square root of 17 plus 1 square root of 17. It's an understood one. There is understood to be 1 square root of 17. Then I'm getting another square root of 17, which means I have a total of 2 square roots of 17. That's really all this lesson is, okay? Let's do a few more practice ones. Let's say that I have 2 square root of 13s minus 3 square root of 13. There is no simple square root of 13, so I can't solve it. So what I'm going to do is just say that I had 2 of these. I take away 3 of these, so what I have is negative 1 square root of 13s. And that's really all there is to this lesson. So let's look at, I'm glitched out, so I may be repeating myself a little bit. I don't know. Let's look at your homework. You have 8 problems. Some of these are just simple square roots. If I can solve it like this, just solve it. There is a cubed root of 125. And then from 3, well, hold on, that's not right either. Let me erase this. 3 and 4, you're going to just simplify. There is a square root of 9. There is a cubed root of 27. Now, on problems like 7 and 8, take it one piece at a time. Add this, then whatever you answer, subtract that. Now, let me clear this slide up. There we go. And this is your homework. These 8 problems, work them out on notebook paper and bring them to our meet up time on Tuesdays.